Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Durango headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new H11 bulb and a flathead screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is off and cool before starting. You will begin by opening the hood and locating the headlight assembly. Safety is key, so disconnect the negative battery terminal. This process is straightforward and can be completed quickly. Before you begin, make sure your Dodge Durango is turned off and the engine has cooled down. Gather your tools, which typically include a flathead screwdriver and your replacement H11 headlight bulb. For safety, it's a good practice to disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Also, wearing gloves will help protect your hands and prevent oils from transferring to the new bulb. Now open your hood and find the headlight assembly. You'll typically see two retaining pins on top. Remove these. With the pins out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to detach it from the vehicle. Once you have access, locate the bulb socket at the back of the assembly. Give it a quarter turn counterclockwise, and then carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new H11 bulb and insert it into the socket, being careful not to touch the glass with your bare hands. Twist the bulb socket clockwise to lock it securely into the headlight assembly. Now, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position. Reinsert the two retaining pins to secure it. Finally, reconnect your battery and test your new headlight to ensure it's working correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.